on the Miro board, here's like some activities of, you might in a session, what is the problem? Who's our target audience? How do we solve this problem? I kind of did that for what we're working on here, right? Teaching facilitators AI. So they have AI tools on the whiteboard. So I can highlight what I want AI to focus on. Then this is the universal kind of symbol for AI, Miro Sidekick. Click on that. And what I would like is I maybe want feedback and suggestions on this. So I'm
Okay.
going to invite a product leader to come to the whiteboard. There they come. Can you see them? They're looking at the post-it notes right now,
What?
That's crazy.
and they're adding their. Well, let's see what they say about these AI innovation coaching sessions. Could you elaborate on how the AI for innovation coachings will be structured to maximize
Wow.
participant engagement and learning? Okay, I'll think about
Wow.
that.
That's
Mm.
Oh,
incredible.
that was one bonus tip.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Wow.